Ahoy Cruisers! Welcome to the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal in Hong Kong, a modern gateway for cruise enthusiasts. Located at the site of the former Kai Tak Airport, this terminal stands as a testament to Hong Kong's efficiency and connectivity. The view of Hong Kong from the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal is nothing short of breathtaking. The terminal is strategically located on the iconic Victoria Harbour, providing cruisers with panoramic vistas of the city's stunning skyline. As cruise ships dock, passengers are treated to a remarkable sight of towering skyscrapers, modern architectural marvels, and bustling urban life. The cityscape is adorned with a symphony of lights, especially in the evening when the skyline transforms into a glittering display. The illuminated skyscrapers, including landmarks like the International Commerce Center, ICC, and Victoria Peak, create a mesmerizing backdrop against the harbor waters. The harbor itself is a constant hive of activity, with ferries, traditional junks, and modern vessels navigating the waters. Across the harbor, the Kowloon Peninsula and Hong Kong Island are connected by a network of bridges and tunnels, showcasing the seamless blend of modern infrastructure and natural beauty. From the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal, cruisers have a front-row seat to Hong Kong's dynamic energy, offering a visual feast that captures the essence of this vibrant metropolis. The view is a perfect introduction to the city's unique blend of tradition and modernity, making the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal not just a starting point for maritime journeys, but a memorable vantage point for the iconic sights of Hong Kong. The terminal building has a contemporary architectural design with clean lines and a practical layout, focusing on ease of use for both passengers and cruise operators. It features large, well-equipped arrival and departure halls, immigration and customs facilities, and spacious waiting areas. The terminal is equipped to handle multiple cruise ships simultaneously, reflecting Hong Kong's status as a major cruise hub in Asia. Serving as a major cruise hub, it offers cruisers a straightforward experience with essential facilities for arrivals and departures. Skip the frills and embrace the functional efficiency of Kai Tak Cruise Terminal as you embark on your Hong Kong cruise adventure. With an emphasis on functionality, the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal prioritizes the smooth embarkation and disembarkation of passengers. The terminal offers basic amenities, including check-in counters, baggage handling services, and transportation facilities. Its strategic location provides stunning views of the Hong Kong skyline and Victoria Harbour, adding to the overall cruise experience. In essence, the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal is a no-nonsense facility, designed to efficiently facilitate the essential aspects of cruise travel, making it a practical choice for cruisers looking for straightforward service in the bustling city of Hong Kong. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating destinations.